Hello everybody and welcome back. Today we want to show you how we make our bubble bath frosting. I know that there's a lot of bubble bath frosting recipes out there, but we live in a high humidity area, so creating one that would not succumb to the humidity has been quite a challenge. Another beautiful thing about this recipe is that if you make too much of it or you want to master batch it, just put a cover or some saran wrap on it. You can come back to it later. If it's dried out, add a little bit of isopropyl alcohol, hit it with your hand mixer, and it is as good as the day that you made it. With all that being said, we're going to go ahead and get our equipment ready, get it sterilized, then Parker and I are going to show you how to make this super simple recipe. Start off with 12 ounces of baking soda, 1 ounce of cream of tartar, and 2 ounces of cornstarch. To that, you're going to add 3 ounces of cocamidal propylbutane and 0.18 ounces of any fragrance oil of your choice. You do not need to worry about sifting out the powders because we're going to hit this with a hand mixer and it's going to remove any lumps and clumps that are in there. After you have all your ingredients in the container, go ahead and take it off your scale, put your beaters into your hand mixer, and we're going to whip this up for about 1 minute. The bath bomb that we're using this frosting for is not in this video, but if you would like to see how we made it, add a comment in the comment section below and we'll get that video made for you. The frosting for this particular bath bomb has 4 colors. It has the base of white and then 3 solid colors. So the way that we split it is we're adding 3 ounces to 3 different containers and adding a half a teaspoon of mica to each container, and we're going to mix that up. You do not have to split this batch. You can color the frosting one solid color or just leave it white if that's what your project calls for. After everything has been mixed up, we let it sit for about 5 minutes just to let some of the moisture evaporate off of it, and then we'll stir each one individually. And what we're looking for is we're looking for this frosting to hold a shape when we put it into that shape. And once it doesn't fall flat or deflate, it is ready to go. When it is ready to use, we give it a final stir, then we place a frosting bag into a tall container, pull the sides over the container, and add the frosting to the bag. We start with white in 3 sections, then add the colored frosting in between. This frosting is stiff enough to pick up with your hands and place it in the bag if you choose to do it that way. After the frosting is in the bag, pick up your container and slide the frosting bag out of it. We're going to add the remaining white frosting to the bag, twist the top closed, cut the tip off, and we're ready to start frosting our bath bombs. So what I have discovered works for us in our high humidity area is leave all the humectants out of your frosting. Glycerin, sugars, these all attract moisture, so just leave them out. The bath bomb that we just frosted is called our Butterfly Kisses Bath Bomb. We have these wafer paper butterflies. Get your handy dandy chopstick and we put it in the center and we fold the wings up to give it more of a 3-dimensional look rather than just laying it flat. Just makes a super cute bath bomb and the wafer paper will dissolve in your tub. I'm gonna let these sit here for about 30 minutes to an hour, and if you come back even in that time, you're gonna notice that the frosting is starting to harden already. But we're going to let these cure for 24 to 48 hours prior to packaging. I hope you were able to get something out of this video today, and if you liked it, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Hit that notification bell to get notified about all future videos and projects. And until next time, be blessed.